Good morning to everyone. My name is Manobiram. Today, our DTI team, Design Thinking and Innovation team, is ready to give a solution for the problem. The problem actually was people with visual impairment often struggles to navigate safely and independently in public places, public environment such as streets, malls, bus stops, schools, hospitals, and parks are usually designed with visual cues making it difficult for visual impaired individuals to detect obstacles, locate entrances, and read signs. From this statement, the actual problem was the people with visual impairment. Visual impairment people means the people with low sight, low vision, or blinded. They are facing difficulties to while they are navigating to the public places like schools, hospitals, bus stops, and malls. So we want to give a design thinking solution for this by following the design thinking steps. There are 5 steps in design thinking: empathy, define, ideate, prototype, and test. I'm going to start this by with empathy. Empathy is knowing problem and cause of problem directly from the people facing the problem. Here the problem is faced by visual impaired people. So we want to know the actual problem from them. This is known as empathy. So we want to we should interview the people who facing the problem. We should interview the people with visual impairment. Interviews helps uncover emotional and psychological aspects that observationally research cannot capture. Sample useful questions that we ask the visual impairment people for knowing the problem what actually was. Tell me about your daily challenges when using public transportation. What makes you feel unsafe when navigating streets or malls? What tools help you most? A can, a guide dog, a mobile app? Which places feel easiest or most difficult to navigate and why? We should ask these following questions the, for the people who facing the problem. Next, emotional insights are crucial. Many impaired individuals report. Many visually impaired people propose these problems. Anxiety about crossing roads, fear of unexpected obstacles, loss of confidence when approach unfamiliar environments, stress caused by an overcrowded or noisy spaces, dependence on strangers which can feel disempowering. Next, the existing solutions in the market for this problem is a white can, GPS app for blind users, and AI glasses. But the visual impaired people are not satisfied with this existing solutions. The conclusion for this empathy phase is the people with visually impairment are not satisfied with the existing solutions. So we want to change the solutions or we have to update the solutions and give the new solutions and useful solutions for the impaired people. The visual impaired people, what they want actually was safety, independence, affordability, and dignity. The the empathic understanding forms the foundation of our project, guiding us to design a solution that responds not just to functional needs but to the realities and aspirations of visual impaired individuals. The conclusion was the empathy is knowing the problems from the user. The, the people with visual impairment people are not satisfied with the existing solutions, so we want to give a new solutions for this problem. My friend Samir will continue this by the step 2, which is define.
Today I am going to explain about define. Define gives the clear view of the problem for which we have to go solution. Define is nothing but defining what the problem is. Point of view statements. Visually impaired individuals need a reliable, easy to use and affordable navigation solutions because Exiting tools fails to detect all obstacles or providing real-time directional feedback. After gathering insights from interviews, observations, and user shadowing in the empathize stage, the next step is to clear to core problem, user needed, and design challenges. The define stage converts raw insights into structured problems. Statements will be guided the ideation and prototype phases. Some of the struggles faced actually over dependence on strangers for directions, difficult to cross road, difficult to navigate shopping malls. Some live examples: Lakshmi, the senior citizen, age 52, vision, low vision, goals, navigate hospitals and markets, pain problems, noisy environments overwhelm her, wants a simple non-technical solution. Person 2, Imran, the student, age 19, vision, blindness, goals, move across campus safely, pain points, campus layout is complex, technology exists but it is not user-friendly, design opportunity. There is an opportunity to design a wearable, affordable, hand-free navigation aid that provides real-time obstacle detections, direction guidance, and emergency support, enhancing independence and safety. Thank you.
I'm excited to tell about the third topic is Ideate, real-time useful ideas for visual impaired navigations to generate strong ideas. We use divergent brainstorming, no limits, no filtering, then converge towards real-time practical solutions. Brainstorming. What is brainstorming? Brainstorming is a creative thinking method used to generate many ideas quickly without judging them at first. By using brainstorming, we can get the best ideas. Idea 1: Smart haptic glasses. Glasses with front camera gives real-time vibrations on the arms of the glasses. Left vibration is equal to obstacle left, right is equal to obstacle right. Continuous is equal to step down or hold. Idea 2: Smart shoes. Sensors that detect potholes, steps, uneven surfaces. Idea 3: Smartwatch for detection of obstacles. Smartwatch vibrations differently based on the location of obstacle detected by a connected sensor. Examples of vibration practicals: left wrist buzz, obstacle on the left; right wrist buzz, obstacle on the right; double plus, obstacle straight ahead. Idea 4: AI smart canes. Smart canes are usually made by updating a traditional white cone. A white can is modified by adding sensors, electronics, and AI components. Sensor used: electrosonic sensors, that is detect two obstacle in front; infrared sensors, that is detect steps and drops; lidar sensors, scan surroundings. It happens contains camera to detect step and elevators. It also give audio command. Idea 5: AI app for the safe navigation in malls. The app name is Mall Active. It guides direction pin to pin. It should have camera access to location places. It detects the obstacles and gives you voice commands. It gives shortest path to distinction. Consistent and high quality tactical ground surface indicators. Tactical paths help visually impaired people detect routes using a cane or foot sensation. Install tactical guided paths from entrances to key points, elevators, restrooms, exits, bus or train platforms. Final concept: Naviglide, a hybrid solution combining a smart wearable device plus an AI-based navigation app plus low-cost public infrastructures enhancements. Naviglide refers to a conceptual hybrid navigation solution designed for visually impaired individuals. That is the meaning of idea.
Prototype. A prototype essentially means creating a simple mode of the solution. Choosing the solution in AI app plus smart plans. AI app. It helps to reach the person to reach destination, location, and it also identify the obstacles. It also directs with a voice command. It will also give your current location to the mall. Smart Plan. It contains scenarios to identify different obstacles. It will guide the person safely while he is climbing the steps and while using the elevators. Prototype features. Obstacle direction. Non-static scenarios direct product within 2 meters. Plane vibrates more intensely as obstacles get closer. At AI camera region, reading signboards aloud. Example, restroom ahead. Identifies bus numbers, escalators, doors, etc. Emergency mode. One press sends location to caregiver. Now my friend will continue the another topic.
Hello everyone, this is Mahesh Babu. Today I am going to explain the test stage in design thinking in a simple way. Before my friends all are explaining the 4 stages. The first stage is define and the second stage is empathy and the third stage is ideate and the fourth stage is prototype and my fifth stage is and the final step and important stage is test stage. Today I am going to explain the test stage in design thinking in a simple way. The test stage is the step where we check our solution with real users. Here users try our prototype and we observe how it works in real life. That means we can check the solution by using real users. We can apply this in real users. Users try our prototype. The main goal is to collect feedback and improve the solution. That means to collect the feedback from the real users who are suffering from visual impairment by using my advices like gadgets, sensors, etc. And we can improve the solution. In our project, we developed a solution called NaviGlitch, which includes an AI-based mobile app and a smart cane. This solution helps visually impaired people navigate safely in public places like malls, bus stations, and in many rest places like parks, any etc. We can see the in surroundings many rest places. We can ask them to perform simple tasks such as the first step is finding the nearest restroom or washrooms, walking through corridors with the stairs, detecting obstacles using the smart cane. While they were testing, we can observe it. We can observe their confidence level and we observe how well they understood voice instructions and how the acuity obstacles were detected by wearing uh, gadget, shoes, sensors, etc. The results were positive. Users felt more confident and independent because what they want to go because they go freely by using these sensors and canes and sensor shoes and a smart cane successfully detected obstacles. We also found some problems like fast audio instructions and battery uses. Before testing, we found some problems like fast audio instructions and battery uses. These are very small and tiny problems. But after testing, we improved the system by adding slow RDS mode, reducing vibrations. Before testing, vibrations are coming very fastly and giving high vibrations to users. But after testing, reducing we can reduce the vibrations and optimizing battery life. After the test stage helps us find mistakes, improve our design, how we design, because and make the solution user friendly. That's why the test stage is very important in design thinking. Thank you for watching.